Hey guys, get a chance to win some free money when you follow these instructions. And make sure you be the first commenter in all my videos to type Grind Family. And once I get to 6,000 subscribers, you could be the lucky winner. So please click on the link below. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $200 per day with videos already made. Now, if you're new to my channel, as you can see here, I make a lot of videos about making money online. So it'll be beneficial for you right now to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video. And make sure you drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this method. Now guys, as you saw at the beginning of the video, I'm doing a free money giveaway, and all you have to do is click on the link in the description or in the comments to be eligible for the free money giveaway, and make sure you follow those instructions. All right, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here to the site that will show you how to make $200 per day. Let's grind and let's get it. All right, guys, I'm on YouTube. Now, we're not going to use any YouTube videos or anything, but I'm just showing you an example of what type of videos that people on YouTube are trying to do. They're trying to duplicate these type of videos because they're making a lot of money with these type of videos. Now, I went to the channel, and the name of the channel is Bestie, and here's one of their videos. So it's 8 healthy foods you need to stock up on for 2021. Now, these type of videos are called explainer videos. So people that's getting on YouTube now, that's starting on YouTube, they're looking at these type of videos, and they notice that these type of videos will make a lot of money. Now, as you can see here, this channel has 3 million subscribers. And let me just go there and show you how many views this channel gets. So, okay, they get thousands of views because they put out videos, probably 5 or 6 videos a day. So they're making, they're getting a lot of views. Now, what we're gonna do, guys, you don't have to worry about making no videos and trying to get views. You're not gonna do none of that. You're gonna make money by selling these explainer videos to people that don't want to be on camera and don't have time to make the videos. So you're going to sell these videos to these customers, because all they are is just slideshow videos. You know, it's just slideshows and somebody talking in the background, and some of them don't have anybody talking in the background. So let me just go ahead and click on one and show you. Okay, as you can see here, this is just really templates, video templates that they put together of people just showing them eating, going into the grocery store. So the person that made this video is not on camera. So let me go ahead and stop this and see how the words are popping up. I'm going to take you to a software that's going to do this for you. It's already done. All you have to do is edit it and make it your own. So you don't have to record any type of videos for anybody. So let me go ahead and go to that site. Okay guys, I'm at the site, and the name of this site is InVideo. So this is a software site where they have templates of videos already made. Let me just go to the front of the page. So okay, here's the home page, and as you can see here, pre-made templates. And here they are right here. It's free to sign up. Now, they do give you like 14 days of like a free trial, but after that 14 days, you're going to have to pay It's probably like about $15 a month. But by then you're going to be making $100, $200 a day. So it'll pay for itself with the money that you make from the sales you're going to get. Now, let me just show you how easy it is to edit. Let me just click on this one. Just click on use template. Okay, I'm inside my account and I'm at the page where you can edit it. So all you have to do, click right here and you can type whatever you want. So whatever the customer want in the video, let's say it's like 3 healthy foods or something, 3 healthy foods that will make you lose weight. You could just type that there. What you're going to do is find a template that has to do with health. And you just go ahead and make the minor revisions on that template to fit whatever your customer wants. And that's all you have to do. And you just click right here where it said export, and it'll download the video to your laptop or computer. Now, you're probably wondering where we're going to get all these customers for these videos. Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you the site right about now. Okay, I'm on the site that I've talked to plenty of times before called Fiverr. And as you can see here, I went ahead and typed in explainer videos, and you see a lot of them come up. And look, some of them charging $45, $120, $120, $1,305, $150, $120, $40. So guys, now you may not want to charge $120, $150. You probably want to charge somewhere $30 to $40. You'll get a lot of more customers if you charge that amount. And you're going to get 4 or 5 customers a day. So you can easily make $200 a day with this type of method. So that's it, guys. That's the method. So if you want to go ahead and start, go to invideo.com, get those templates made, put it on Fiverr, and start getting this money. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online, become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for the support. Road to 6,000. Please type this number that's going to flash on the screen right about now. It lets me know that you watched this video all the way to the very end. And plus, you'll get a chance to win the free money once I hit 6,000 subscribers. All right, that's it, guys. You have a blessed day. And make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Get your grind.